Presenting the Coleman Pro Heavy Duty Insulated Hard Cooler Lunchbox. Your ultimate companion for rugged outdoor adventures and demanding job sites. Built to withstand tough conditions, it never backs down. The Templock FX insulation ensures your beverages and food stay cold, while the durable exterior with rubberized boots prevents sliding. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. If you are worried about security, the flat top has you covered. Just add a lock. Your cooler stays put during transport, with a capacity for 14 cans and 9 pounds of ice. It's ready for any outing. Get your Coleman Pro Heavy Duty Insulated Hard Cooler Lunchbox today and take on any adventure with confidence. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.